Hi there students. Okay, this video is about the prefix self. Let's see, I'm sure you all know the selfie, where you take a photograph of yourself. Yeah? Okay, so self, if we use the prefix self, we're saying something is directed towards me, directed towards the subject of a sentence. Okay, so directed towards or related to, yeah, or by an action of the subject of the sentence. Okay, so a selfie is a photograph of the person. He took a selfie, so he took a photograph of himself. For reflexives, the object of the sentence is the same as the subject, and this is the idea of this prefix self. Notice nearly all of the words with self are self hyphen. I could only find one or two where it's one word, and a selfie is one of those words. Somebody could be very selfish. Okay, again, this is one word, acting for their own self-interest. Okay, only thinking about themselves. Or somebody could be selfless, is always thinking about other people and not thinking about themselves. So he's always working for charity and is very selfless. So apart from these three, selfie, selfish, selfless, there are a few more. All of these are self hyphen and then the other word. So self-obsessed, for example. So let me go through some words with self. So he could be self-absorbed. Okay, he concentrates on what he is doing, what he is thinking about. So he's not very communicative, he's very self-absorbed into his own thoughts. Or maybe you need to send a self-addressed envelope for somebody to send you some information. Well, this is the old days. So an envelope which is addressed to yourself, yeah, addressed to me, a self-addressed envelope, yeah. Or maybe you go to IKEA and buy a piece of furniture. Well, I'm certain it's self-assembly. You need to build it yourself. It's work that you need to do, so it's self-assembled. Or maybe you could live in a self-build house. Yeah, you built it yourself. Okay, somebody who is self-centered is selfish. Self-centered and selfish are synonyms of each other. Someone who's self-centered only thinks about themselves. You could be self-confessed. So he's a self-confessed glutton. Okay, he admits that he eats far too much food. Yeah, I'm a self-confessed cynic. So I say that I am a cynic, not somebody else criticizing me, but I say it myself. Maybe you live in a self-contained flat, okay, has everything inside. Okay, so something that's self-contained has everything that you need. Everything you need is contained inside it. If you have anger management problems, you have problems with your self-control. Yeah, you need to think about what you do before acting. Yeah, there's a problem with self-control. Or maybe you could have a plan that is self-defeating. There is something within the plan which means the plan is not going to work. Or maybe the way he is doing this is very self-defeating, because he says he wants to achieve this objective. He wants to learn English, but he doesn't want to study. If he doesn't want to study, that's self-defeating. Or maybe you have a self-destruct button. So if the enemy capture the fort, then we will press the self-destruct button. The fort will explode. Very often you see the self-destruct button in spaceships, in science fiction movies. Self-determination. Yes, they invaded the country because they said that the country needed the right to self-determination. Means they can vote for their own politicians. But maybe I think the idea of self-determination and invasion are a bit at odds with each other. They don't fit well together. Maybe you could do a self-diagnosis. What's wrong with me? I don't feel very well. Maybe I've got flu. That's a self-diagnosis. Okay. So, do you go to school or are you self-educated? So, somebody who's self-educated learns by themselves, not with the help of a school or someone else. Now, you could work for a company or you could be self-employed. You work for yourself. Yeah? So there are many self-employed people in the UK. If something is self-evident, it is clear from just looking at the thing. So, it's self-evident that I am English, if you listen to my accent. Okay? It could be difficult to deny it. It's obvious when you listen. Yeah? It's self-evident I enjoy my food. Okay, self-help. This is when you help yourself. You do things to improve yourself, not from the outside with someone else helping you. They have this phrase about fishing. Give a man a fish and he eats for a day, but give him a net and he can eat for life. With the net, it's self-help. He can help himself. Somebody could be very self-important. They think that they are the most important person. Yeah? He is terribly self-important. He thinks he's the boss of everybody. You could do something out of altruism, or you could do it out of self-interest. Altruism means you want to help other people. Self-interest, you want to help yourself. Yeah? It's good for you. Now, you could have a self-made man. Okay, this is somebody who's made a lot of money, but not because mummy or daddy or granddad has invested in their business, but they've done it all themselves. You could be self-obsessed, obsessed with yourself and with nothing else around you. Have you ever seen a self-portrait of an artist, where the artist has a mirror and they draw themselves? Yeah? So, a self-portrait of the artist. Self-proclaimed. So, the man became the dictator and the self-proclaimed leader of the country. He said, I am the leader. Nobody need vote for me because I am self-proclaimed. I say that I am leader. There are many industries that prefer self-regulation instead of laws. Okay, so the industry regulates itself. It makes its own rules and the things that it can do, because normally these are less severe than external laws. Okay, self-sacrifice. So many parents self-sacrifice to give their children the best of everything. Okay, so to self-sacrifice is when you don't spend money or time on things for you. You spend it on someone else and you forego, you miss having things for yourself. That's self-sacrifice. Self-satisfied. If you're self-satisfied, you are very satisfied with yourself. Yeah, not so good self-satisfied. Yeah, maybe it's better that other people are satisfied with you. But mind you, if you can use all the examples in this video, I think you should be very self-satisfied, satisfied with yourself. Because all of these videos are self-study. Yeah, not study with your teacher, but self-study. Study alone in your own time. And one last one, to be self-sufficient. To produce everything that you need. I would love to be self-sufficient, but it's very difficult because you need to produce a huge number of things. Yeah, and many of them are very difficult. Yeah, maybe you could be self-sufficient in energy. Okay, so you provide everything that you need. Okay, everything that you consume, you make, you produce, and that's being self-sufficient. So, self, the ego, I, being introspective, reflexive, yeah? Self, directed towards me, by my own action, related to me, self. Okay, so lots and lots of words with self. So, I hope you give me some good examples with self in the comments section. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Self, selfie, self-help, self-interest, self-made, self-destruct, self-determination, self-satisfied, self-study. I could go on forever. Bye.